Hello all you YouTube riders out there, Kawasaki fans. I thought I would do a 40-year review of my motorcycle. I haven't seen any of those out there. This is a 1977 kz1000, which I bought brand new in 1977. This is my third speedometer. This one has 49,000 miles, almost 49.6, almost 50,000 on it. I've put some miles on this thing. I've flipped it doing a wheelie and destroyed my other speedometer, so I had to replace them. I love this bike. This bike has just been nothing but good. I really didn't have to do much to it. It's held up well, the transmission and everything, but I got these CR carbs, 35 mil. I got them cheap, so I had to put them on. I paid $500 for them. They really woke it up. I'm running a 1075 kit Wiseco pistons, stage 2 cams. I got an LTD seat on it. This is like a kz1000a1. It used to be that green, well, I forgot what they call it, a sky green or whatever. But when I flipped it, I destroyed the tank and side covers, fender, all the gauges. I bought another 1000, a 78 for $200, and I took all the parts off it and put mine back together. I was pretty lucky. This one was red, but this one originally was that green. I put dual disc brakes on the front. Still has these gauges are off a 78 in the headlight. The front end's the 77 still. I didn't mess that up. The motor's the 77. I'm running Dyna ignition. I don't have points. That was the best thing I ever did. It saved me a lot of work and nightmare. I got the Dyna coils also. I'm running K&N filters, breather filters. I still have the shock stock. I put lowering bars on it, and this brake bar, it's a little longer, so this brake caliper here will clear the shock. Otherwise, if I didn't have this on here, this wouldn't clear the shock and I wouldn't be able to use these. Anyways, the low is about 2¼ inches, 2½ inches, so you don't have this big gap here, and it helps me touch the ground flat-footed. I've had to do a lot of things. I've had to, my master cylinders went bad after a while, and they get hard to get, and I got this one, just a little cheap one off eBay, and it works fine. I use my old parts to hook it up. I got good spring in it. Hell, it works better than my original one. Had to put a little longer brake line on though, so it line up good. But that was no big thing. I run a Earl's oil cooler on here. Seems how I like to try to keep it a little cooler. Running as big a pistons runs a little bit hotter. I run a 4-in-1 header. What else I got? I put these LED light turn signals on. I still have all the stock ones in the garage. These here are really streamlined and they work well for me. Very inexpensive, like less than, with the flashers and everything, I think I paid $11.54 for all 4 of them delivered. And it takes no power to run them, so it works well for me. If I wreck them or whatever, I don't give a shit. I'll just buy new ones. See what else I got on here. There's so many things I can't remember. This is some high special headlight. It ain't no stock one. I can't remember. It's been so many years. I've had to change even in front master cylinders. I just get aftermarket ones, and now they work just as well for me. Inexpensive. I'm running dual disc brakes and this works fine. I'm running it came with a 15 counter and a 35 back, and I'm running a 14 counter and a 35 back. Came with a 1533 and I'm running a 1435, which makes my gears come a little faster, which makes it so much more fun. I got an RK racing chain on there. You want to make sure you have a good chain. When you snap the chain or crack the case of your motor, and that wouldn't be good. These old bikes had a lot of chrome on them. I chromed this motor though. It wasn't all chrome, but the fenders are chrome. I got a pingle gas valve. I put a chrome chain guard on there. I still have all the stock stuff. I just like it a little better. I took the center stand off. I like it light. I run one mirror. I like it streamlined. I ran no turn signals for about 20 some years. I just put these on. Cars are so crazy out there, I'm scared of dying. I'm running a little wider tire than stock all the way around. I'm running a 130 80/18 on the back, and I think a 190/19 on the front. Anyways, this Kawasaki's been very good. It's die hard. It just keeps going. It runs very well. It's pretty clean in here. See if it starts up. These 77s, you don't have to hold in the clutch to start them. With these carbs too, I never need a choke to start it. I don't know why. It does run much better when it's warmed up though. See, it don't smoke. Pretty good bike, pretty clean bike. Been good for me. I hope I get another 40 years out of it. It runs very well. I ran 1198 with its stock in the quarter-mile. I'm pretty sure I'll get in very low 11s or probably high 10s with it now. And that's pretty good for an old dinosaur. I'm sure with the cams and the carburetors and the pistons, it would probably bring it down a second, I would think. These carbs are a big difference from the stock. The stocks were 26 mil and these are 35. You really woke it up. Alright, I thought I would do a 40-year review of my kz1000. I haven't seen a 40-year review. You all let me know if you know anybody who's had a bike for 40 years, riding the same bike. Appreciate it. Can you leave me a comment? Let me know if you like it. Appreciate it. You all have a happy Halloween. Thanks.